Hey there, Internet! Are you ready to dive into a world where AI not only runs your coffee machine and curates your playlist, but also makes you money? Oh yeah, it's happening, and it's not just for tech wizards or science fiction fans. We're talking about AI influencers, the digital superstars of the Internet, and how they're cashing in big time. So today we're counting down the top 10 ways people are using AI influencers to make money. Let's go. Number one on the list is brand collaborations with virtual influencers. First up, it's the bread and butter of the influencer world, brand collaborations. But here's the twist. These influencers aren't even real. Meet Lil Miquela. She's an AI influencer with over 3 million Instagram followers, landing deals with the biggest brands out there. No tantrums, no missed flights, just flawless execution of whatever the brand wants. I mean, can you imagine? You never have to deal with oh no, the influencer didn't wake up for the photo shoot. Oh wait, the AI doesn't sleep. Problem solved. Number two is affiliate marketing through AI. Coming in hot at number two, affiliate marketing. You know those influencers who promote the best skincare routine ever and casually drop a link in their bio? Well, AI influencers are doing the same thing, except they're machines. Yep, they create product reviews, and every time someone clicks and buys, cha-ching, they're earning commissions. The best part? AI doesn't need coffee to crank out posts 24/7. It's like the ultimate influencer hustle. They say the grind never stops. Well, when you're AI, it literally doesn't. Number three is AI influencers as virtual fashion models. Forget about booking human models, dealing with lighting, or awkward clothing malfunctions. AI influencers are now fashion models, and guess what? They never trip. Fashion brands are using AI influencers to model clothing on their websites and social media without ever needing to ship a single item. You can make infinite outfits, tweak the lighting, and pose them in ways that make Gigi Hadid jealous. And they never complain about the shoes being too tight. Bonus! At number four, we've got businesses creating custom AI influencers to represent their brands. Imagine having a totally unique digital character that looks exactly like your brand's personality. You can make them stylish, quirky, super professional, or like me, a little bit of everything. And the best part is you control their every move. These custom AI influencers are all over social media, pushing products, answering questions, and creating huge engagement with audiences. And it's all digital, baby. No HR issues here. We are halfway there at number five. AI live stream hosts for virtual shopping. Now this is where it gets fun. AI influencers are taking over live stream shopping events, hosting virtual QVC-like shows where they walk viewers through products, chat in real time, and make sales happen fast. In places like China, this is already a billion-dollar industry. Imagine AI influencers selling products to thousands of viewers live without needing to break for water or, breathe. They're like the Energizer bunnies of the sales world, but better. The sixth way is AI-powered YouTube channels. Next on the list, YouTube. We all know YouTubers can make serious bank, but did you know AI influencers are getting in on the action too? You've got AI avatars running their own YouTube channels, creating makeup tutorials, sharing their life updates, even gaming. And the best part, they don't need breaks. They're never shy on camera, and they can literally be experts in anything. Music by AI, videos by AI, and yes, the money, all very real. So while you're binge watching your next favorite channel, just remember you could be watching a virtual influencer and not even know it. Number seven is virtual concerts with AI pop stars. Okay, this one blows my mind. We're talking about virtual concerts headlined by AI pop stars. Hatsune Miku, anyone? She's an AI performer who has actually sold out concerts, and yes, people pay to watch her perform on stage. These AI stars are making money from ticket sales, merch, and even digital streaming royalties. I mean, what's next? An AI influencer wins a Grammy? Actually, don't rule it out. Number eight is personalized AI coaches and mentors. Who needs Tony Robbins when you've got an AI life coach ready to dish out personalized advice? People are paying to follow AI mentors, fitness gurus, and motivational speakers who guide them through their daily lives. These AI influencers give you tips, motivation, even workout routines, all based on your needs. And guess what? You can charge for subscriptions and personalized programs. The cash flow, very real. So if you're looking for someone to help you achieve your goals, just don't be surprised if your coach is a little pixelated. Almost at the end with the ninth, and that is AI-generated content on social media. Let's talk about social media, the kingdom of influencers. AI influencers are creating some serious buzz by generating perfectly curated Instagram posts and TikToks. They're stylish, always on trend, and never miss a posting schedule. Brands partner with these AI influencers for product placements and paid promotions, just like they would with humans. But the AI never calls in sick or has an off day. Win-win, right? And they never eat the props on set either. That's a bonus. The 10th and last in the list is AI influencers in video games. Finally, AI influencers are stepping into the gaming world. Companies are using AI characters within video games to market products and even interact with players. Imagine your favorite NPC giving you a sales pitch on the latest gaming chair while you're leveling up. These in-game influencers are turning gaming into a money-making playground. So next time you're playing a game and an AI influencer pops up, remember, they're not just there to help you win, they're helping someone else win big bucks. Well, there you have it. 10 ways people are using AI influencers to make money. It's a wild world out there. But with AI in the mix, the possibilities are endless. So whether you're a creator looking to dive into this AI influencer trend or just fascinated by how digital avatars are raking in cash, there's plenty of room to get in on the action. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell notification for more money-making ideas and AI madness. See you next time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel.